If I want to see the original video that this game came from, I would click the Dara video button down here to play the game. To get to the game, there is a link in the description. To play the game, click words or phrases. Starting with words, we click study. There are 8 of the words. You can left click to cycle through the different formats for the words. And when you're ready, you say test. And then you try to match up the words. And then you could come back and do the same thing for phrases. And if you right click, you can hear
ខ្ញុំអត់ហ៊ាននិយាយជាមួយនាងទេ
the phrase in Khmer, or middle click and hear it in English.
I don't dare speak with her.
Click test to take the test. Again, you could cycle through here if you want to see all the formats. And then you match up the phrases with them. If you right click, you can hear
ខ្ញុំបើកឡានទៅធ្វើការ
the Khmer. That's a way to get a clue on the matching. And that's how you match the phrases. There is a summary page with all 27 words. They're all verbs that start with the letter D in English. You can hear them by left clicking.
រាំ
Dance.
And you can hide a column by right clicking it. Right click again to bring it back. You can hide a word by middle clicking it, or you could bring a single word back like that. And then there is a final exam with all 27 phrases marked by these 27 grid items. You can hear the phrase again by right clicking it.
យើងត្រូវការដោះស្រាយជាមួយបញ្ហានេះ
or middle click to hear just the word.
ដោះស្រាយ
And type the English translation in this box. And if you want a hint, you can hit the hint button. And there are 5 clues here, and one of them is the correct answer. And that is how the final exam works. So I hope you enjoy the game.